Hey guys, Samsung now working to launch the upcoming flagship device Galaxy S24 series, especially after such impressive showing the Google Pixel 8 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro series. Thankfully, from everything we know so far about the Samsung upcoming flagship device, the Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup to be the release early that expected. Yes, Samsung now planning to launch the Galaxy S24 series as soon as possible. So what is the release date of the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra? Last few years, we saw that the Samsung launched the flagship device on February. For example, the Galaxy S22 series launched on 25 February 2022 and the Galaxy S23 series launched in 1st February 2023. So Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S24 series in first quarter of 2024 at one of the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event. According to the IC Universe, who claim that the Samsung upcoming flagship device will be launched in 18 January 2024. So the next phone from the Samsung will be see the Lite into the middle of the January between 15 to 20 January 2024. So let's see what happened in the future. So that's for today's video. If you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.